What's going on, Skid? We're about to descale a Rinnai water heater. First time ever doing this, but I read the instructions. Watched the YouTube video. I think I get the point. Ugh. Turn the power off to it. Turn the gas off. And turn the water off. Coming to the water heater. There we go. Got a doggy out here with me. Hey, pup. All right, we turn the water off. Gas is off, so we're gonna open these. If your valve or if your water heater doesn't have this, then you won't be able to do it like this. Make sure that valve is open. That one right there, if yours has it. So what do we got here? With Jay Booty. Jay Booty's with me. We got some Haymaker water heater descaler. I'm not sure if there's a better brand, but this is what we're using. Pour this in here to 1 gallon of fresh water. Then we're going to drop our descaling machine in here. This is just a filter that goes on there. I'll leave links to all these in the description below. Have it delivered to your house if you want to order one. Old Jordan's pouring in the solution, also known as Jay Booty. Some people ask where Jay Booty got his name. I saw this Michigan football player. His name was Jake Butt. That was the guy's name. Jake, B-U-T-T was his last name. And his Twitter handle was Jay Booty. So I came into work the next morning and just started calling him Jay Booty. I mean, I don't know. I just made it up. It has really no kind of special significance or anything. So we'll connect this hose here. This goes on the cold side. And this will go onto the pump. You can beer me that pump there, Jay Boot. Screw it onto the pump. Again, first time doing this, so I'm sure we'll get better the more we do it. How are you going to get experience if you don't try anything? I mean, you might be bad the first few times you do something. And that's okay. Experience breeds wisdom. So we can shoot this off the side when we have to clean it out. Let's submerge the pump. Ready? Put it in the solution. And this is going to flow back out of the hot into the bucket. Money shot, Jay Booty. Fire in the hole. Whoa! Leak in the hose. Alright, Skid Bros, we're running up on a little snag here. These things are leaking when we turn the pump on in the bucket. So we're having to put a double gasket in there. So I was about to roll off the old ledge. Alright. So we double gasket. Put 2 up in there. Because these things don't seem to be tightening very well and getting a good seal on this. We're just using standard washing machine hoses. You can get them at Home Depot, Lowe's. But this feels better because they're really loose. Till we put the double gasket in. Tighten them down. Make sure that valve is open. That one right there, if yours has it. Fire in the hole. There we go.
Son of a bitch.
Not Jordan? No. Yeah, it was leaking real bad, but now it's working. I had to put the old double gasket up in there. Just a little tech tip if you guys are having problems with these things spraying. But that's it. Just do this for 30 minutes. Yeah, 32 ounces to 1 gallon of water. Throw the old pump in there and just let it circulate out. We'll be back in 30 minutes. Alright, we got about a minute to go. There's a little bit of sediment in there. I don't know if you can see that. A little dirt on the bottom of the bucket. It's almost been 30 minutes, so we'll do a little recap. Again, come out, turn the power off, turn the gas off, turn the water off to the cold and hot, then open up your valves here so water can flow in, and then throw your machine into the solution with the two hoses and turn it on. That's all there is to it. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. I'll get my pliers here. We're going to turn that off. Now we're going to have to flow some fresh water through. So we will turn that off. And we'll leave the hot open. We'll grab the hot hose. We'll let that shoot off the side. And then we'll just turn our cold valve on. Just the cold, don't have to do the hot. Now this is sending it through fresh water to get the solution out. This is coming out here. Not going into the apartment yet. And the instruction says to do this for about 5 minutes or until the water is clear. Looks pretty good though. But we'll give it 5. Alright, we ran it through for 5 minutes. That water looks pretty clear. Turn that off. Now let's see here. Pliers. We'll turn the hot. Turn our valves back off. And we can take our hoses off. Put the old cappies back on. It has been descaled. Alright, so these valves are off now. Just do everything in reverse. Turn the water back on. Okay, water is on. Turn the power on. Or do the gas. Gas is on. And turn the power back on. Turn it on. Alright, it's running. Just heard the flame kick on. No leaks. Make sure the water's hot. Yep, we have hot water. Alright bros, so that's it. First time I've descaled a water heater. Just wanted to take you guys along for the journey. It's not that hard. Read the instructions, you know, watched a YouTube video. Only snag we hit was the hose is leaking, so we had to put the double gasket in there just to keep it, you know, get it tight against the valve there. But that's about it. Other than that, it's pretty easy, really simple. Alright dudes, pump the dirty maintenance stock. Let's get it to 50,000. Like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. See you in the next one. Later.